What is up, you guys? It is the next day now. The last time you saw us was yesterday at the beach when it was rainy and there wasn't much to vlog. I got a little bit of drone footage and then it was pouring. Caroline and I went to the Sunrise Shack, got some of that, but it's the next day now. So Alex and I are gonna go to the mall because it's raining out, and I have to go to the post office to drop off some packages because yesterday I just launched my 11/11 tote. On the back it says manifest it, and these totes are so nice. Let me just tell you, they are made with 100% organic cotton, and right now on my website they are $11. So if you're interested, definitely go check it out. I'm so excited for this one and I hope you guys love it as well. But yeah, we're gonna go to the mall, the post office, and take you around on this rainy day in Hawaii. Hope you enjoy. Subscribe, like, and see you soon. Okay guys, we are at the mall and it is so busy here today, but we went in the Tesla store and it was super cool, and we didn't get to go in the Tesla because they were like taking them out. I think someone was taking it for a test drive, but I like used the handle and opened the door and that was super cool. So there's shopping, and yeah, I'll update you guys soon. Okay guys, we are in Rip Curl and Alex is looking at this board. And it looks so cool.
I love it. Unreal. Just kind of heavy.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay guys, we're at Jamba Juice now. Which smoothie did you get?
The acai smoothie.
The acai smoothie. Okay guys, I've been wanting to try carrot juice, and so I got the carrot karma smoothie, I think it was, or the orange carrot karma, I don't know. But this is what I got. And
where are you going?
Down, because I think that's where the post office is. Oh. So definitely recommend it. But now,
okay, let's put it there, babe.
We're going to the post office. Okay guys, we are back home from the mall now, and I'm super excited because I just got a package in the mail from Sand and Sky, and I am so excited to try this product. It's the Australian Pink Clay mask, and it seems so cool and I cannot wait to try it. I definitely will show you guys, but it says our Australian botanical infused pink clay mask is a super powered 4-in-1 formula. Our mask draws out impurities, tightens pores, and invigorates a dull complexion and boosts radiance. And then I also got these bamboo cleansing pads.